Today I'm going to show you why you should be using shampoo or cleansers on your hair to prevent the buildup of microfauna and cortisol on your scalp that can lead to dandruff, dermatitis, foul odor, and hair loss. So week 11 of our Protective Style Challenge is all about Ayurvedic cleansers, and yes, we'll be using my Ayurvedic shampoo bar, but I will also show you how to make this saponin-rich natural plant-based cleanser. So let's get into it. We'll begin with 3 Aritha Soapnuts, followed up with 1 tablespoon of Shikakai, and then 1 tablespoon of Aloe Vera powder. Then we're going to add 2.5 cups of boiling distilled water to the mixture and set it to the side to cool. Alright, so now that our shampoo has cooled down, let's squeeze and get all of these saponins from the mixture. And then if you like, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum to thicken this mixture up so it won't pour everywhere. I'm going to use my immersion blender and then pour it into a bottle for ease of use. Okay, so on the left side of our hair, we'll be using the shampoo bar, and on the right side, we'll be using our herbal cleanser. All right, so I just rinsed my hair with warm water. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna start with the shampoo bar side. Now, y'all, this is the shampoo bar that I've used up. This is the one I've been using, okay? Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Y'all know y'all got a bar soap in your bathroom that looks just like this, okay? But it still works perfectly fine, so let's get into it. So our scalp contains microfauna, which are known as small animals that eat the sebum and oils found on our scalp. The longer we go without cleansing, the more they build up. Add sweat and other outside factors, it leads to a breeding ground for other fungi or bacteria. One type of fungi that likes to colonize in the hair follicle are Malassezia. This nasty fungus is linked to seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff. So having a healthy regimen of cleansing can help us to avoid these type of issues. Additionally, washing your hair has been shown to significantly reduce the levels of the stress hormone cortisol in hair follicles, and this hormone has been associated with increased hair thinning in women. So while we know that some shampoos can be overly harsh and drying for our hair, we want to find something that works best for our hair and our routine. Too frequent washing or stripping of all the natural oils on our hair can cause excessive sebum production, resulting in overly oily hair that traps bacteria and creates a dirty scalp and odor, continuing the vicious cycle of overwashing. On the other hand, infrequent washing can lead to the buildup of excessive dead skin cells, oil, grit, grime that can lead to foul odor, infection, or hair loss. And that's why today I gave you the option to show you a more natural alternative to shampoos, and that is the shampoo bar, in addition to the natural plant-based cleanser we made. They're both rich in saponins, which create a nice foaming effect and derive from plants that help bind to the dirt oils in our hair and wash them away. In addition to that, both products contain antimicrobial, antifungal, and antibacterial properties that help to rid those from our scalp to help keep our scalp and hair happy and healthy. Okay, so my hair is clean. Neither side feels stripped. They both have a good amount of moisture on both sides. Honestly, I love them both. I would say probably this side feels a little bit more conditioned than this side. Probably still has a little bit of natural oils, more oils left on this side. But they both feel really good, and I'm ready to begin the deep conditioner. Of course, I'll be using my Oat and Aloe deep conditioner. So y'all know how I'm going to do. I'm going to section my hair into 4. Apply the deep conditioner down the length of my strands. Let it sit for 30 minutes and steam it, and then rinse it out and come back on for you guys. Do y'all be jamming when y'all be having wash day? You know, running that deep conditioner through your hands, getting it on, partying. You know, wash day should be a fun experience. Give me that soft hair, okay? The softness, baby. Woo, woo. Okay, y'all, now it's time to moisturize and begin styling my hair. I'll be using my Oat and Aloe leave-in conditioner. Do that first, and then I'm actually going to part some bangs up front for myself, and then use my twist cream to set my style. Now I'll be doing a top knot bun, so I will be adding gel all around the edges and then brushing it up. Okay, so go ahead and twist up your bangs up front into 2 large twists to stretch them, and I'll be using my twist cream. Also, make sure you twist up your ponytail for the night. We're going to put it into 4 large twists to help stretch the twists. All right, slap on your scarf to lay your hair down and go to sleep. Wake up, it's the morning time. Your hair should be nice and slick and pretty much semi-dry. Now, y'all, I started this process late, so my hair's a little bit damp still. Go ahead and undo the twist in the ponytail and then divide your hair in half and then twist the end. We're going to be then pushing that up into a top knot bun. Go ahead and pin that down. Then we're going to work on our bangs. Go ahead and untwist them, fluff them out, stretch them, and then go ahead and roll them into like a pompadour. All right, go ahead and pin the bangs from the side. Get it as even as you like. And y'all, give me a second and voila. I slapped on my scarf, put on some earrings and my makeup and ready to head to work. Y'all, this is such an easy and simple style. The scarf adds a nice little flair to it. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss next week, which is our final week of our Protective Style Challenge. But that's it for this week. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.